everybody, Las Vegas Bus Sales.
Take a walk around, check it out. Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you one of my favorite older buses. That is a Bluebird All-American. It's a 2004 Bluebird All-American. Love these older buses, and here's what's really important. Back there you got a lot of power with an 8.3 Cummins ISC diesel engine. That thing will move. Plus you got an Allison transmission propelling it down the road. This bus is also loaded with a large AC system, which is a real nice feature. And seating in there is for 84 kids or 56 adults. Great people mover, crew hauler, adventure tours. You can name a long list of features on this. And I'm about to. Forgot to mention. I'll let you look at the tires. Tires, how they look?
Good.
Look good on the tires. A lot of meat. I think the tires all the way around on this were really good. Underbelly storage, but more importantly, you got those tinted windows with that large AC system in there. And man, if you're running this in some warm climates, it is going to be nice and cool. Look at the drive tires. A lot of meat on those Toyos. How's that inner look? Yeah. Tires. You could ride home about those. Coming around the back of the bus, we got a straight bumper, which is a real nice thing to see. No into anything. And let's check it out. There's a Cummins 8.3 ISC. That alternator looks fairly new, doesn't it?
Could be.
Yeah. Looking good. We got that nice, yeah. Check it out. Coming around the other side here. Battery compartment? What?
Brand new battery.
Brand new. 625 on there. Nice. Same story on the tires on this side. And oh, Dan, let me show them this. This is the important part. I'm showing on this side because the sun kind of messes with the camera on that side. Look at these struts. They're nice and solid. They're not worn out. Pass-through underbelly storage. That's a nice feature to have on a bus. Of course, you got your diesel fill here. 100 gallons. 100 gallons of diesel. That's where you put it. Let's go inside and check it out. Of course, this bus does not take DEF, so it wouldn't be CARB compliant for California. Driver's area. AC controls. All your buttons. Man, for an 04, the buttons, actually all the switches and stuff are in great shape.
Got cruise control.
Cruise control. There's your stereo. You've got these 3 evaporators, large AC system. You got these nice brown vinyl seats. What do you rank the seats, Dan? I'm actually surprised. These things look great.
Anything? 9.5.
9.5?
There's some patches, but they're well done.
Yeah.
Don't smack your head on the cameras.
9.5 on the seats. We've got what?
6'4".
6'2". That's like, yeah, 6'4". That's 6'4" on the ceilings. And about 87 inches across on the width. Plenty of room for adults to move around in there. You could do 3 per seat. That's how they usually rate these things, or 2 adults per seat. If I missed something, I know where you can go. LasVegasBusSales.com, or give us a call, 877-456-9804. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.